Geometry Challenge 5, Triangle N 1 Point Theorem. Okay, this is a extended theorem. It was a triangle midpoint theorem, and I cover that by different video. Please look at it, because this is just an extension of that. Now, instead of midpoint, we take n and 1 ratio. Same here, n 1 ratio. This n doesn't mean the length is n, its ratio is n to 1. Okay, then show this is parallel to this, and also lengths. Find out the length when this is a. What is the length here? Okay, so if you look at the previous video, we show you how to do it. If it's n is 1 to 1, it's midpoint. We extend this same amount x, then connect this here, then this becomes parallelogram. That means this length is the same. Okay, then this is also parallelogram. That means we have same length and parallel in the parallelogram. Okay, with having a parallelogram, this entire length is same as a, so x turned out to be half of a. Okay, that's what we did. Now situation is we use a little bit more general cases. Instead of midpoint, we take n to 1 ratio. N to 1 ratio. Okay, this is the ratio, not the length n. Okay, then this become parallel. We have to show this become parallel and find out this x. Instead of midpoint, we take n. So the method is same. What we do is we extend. Now how much we extend? We extend n to 1 ratio, right? Okay, n to 1 ratio, and connect this. So what's happened is this triangle, use different color. This triangle and this triangle, in case of midpoint, this and this are equilateral triangle. Now we have n to 1 ratio, we have a similar triangle, because this is n to 1, this is n to 1, and angle here is the same, right? So when you have triangle n to 1, the length, the ratio, and angle same, so this and this triangle are similar. That means this angle and this angle is same. What does it mean? Means this is parallel. Okay, so that means this is also parallel. So we have a parallel, and how about the length? Well, the length is we take n to 1, right? And this length correspond to this one, so the same length. In the previous video, we showed that if there are two parallel line segments that has the same length, then this is the parallelogram. So again, this become parallelogram. So what's happened is x plus 1 should be 8. That means this ratio. Okay, that means a divided by n plus 1 and times n equals x, right? So if we know the n, x is simply a n over n plus 1. Here you go, we got the length. Okay, so we're using same method as midpoint, triangle midpoint theorem. It just expanded. Instead of equilateral triangle, we use a similar triangle, and we can conclude pretty much same way. It's just we have to take a ratio of the lengths to get final answer. I hope you enjoyed listening this. Please check other videos, and if you like, click subscribe.